Yeah, hello everyone. My name is K. Nagaraju, contract lecturer in Electronics and Communication Engineering from Government Polytechnic for Women, Nizamabad, Department of Technical Education, Telangana. In the C18 curriculum, 4th semester, the one of the important subject for the electronics and communication students, that is the microcontroller programming. In the microcontroller programming, the main topic of the first chapter, the architecture of microcontroller 8051. The architecture of microcontroller 8051. Today topic is the special function registers. The special function registers. In the memory organization, the general purpose registers, the special purpose registers, and the special purpose registers is related to the microcontroller related special purpose registers. After then, the special function registers. Today we are going to explain the what are the special function registers are there in the 8051 microcontroller, the functions of each objectives. Upon the completion of this topic, the students will able to know the different special function registers and their functions. Different special function registers and their functions. Recap. In the previous class, we are discussed about the functional block diagram of 8051 microcontroller, the working of 8051 microcontroller, and various registers of 8051 microcontroller. In the functional block diagram of 8051 microcontroller, we are discussed what is the main block diagram, functional block diagram of 8051 microcontroller, and what are the blocks available in the 8051 microcontroller, and also we discussed the various functions of each block of 8051 microcontroller. In this particular functional block diagram, we are observed in the functional block diagram some drivers, that is the port 0, port 1, port 2, port 3, the parallel address lines, the parallel input output address lines, all are 32 registers. Port 2 and port 3, the 4 port latches and 4 port drivers, and also we observe the functional block diagram like the oscillatory circuit, the crystal oscillation or the crystal connection point of view, we are having the one block, the latch, that is the port latches, the port 0, port 1, port 2, port 3 latches, and the port 1, port 2, port 0, port 1, port 2, port 3 drivers, crystal oscillator circuitry, and we observe the CPU along with the arithmetical logical unit, the temporary registers, A register, B register, and also some registers are we are observed in the functional block diagram like the controlling registers, that is the serial control and parallel control registers, and like program status word, program counter, program incrementer, data pointer, stack and stock pointer. These are the blocks are observed in the 8051 microcontroller. In the point of memory, we are observe the RAM or EEPROM, ROM, and internal and external memories, as well as the interrupt control block and external interrupts present. And here, and also we are discussed the various registers of 8051 microcontroller. Various registers. Generally, the register organization of 8051 microcontroller, we are subdivided, divided the register organization in a three main categories. The first category of the register organization of 8051 microcontroller, the first one is general purpose registers. The name itself, general purpose. The general purpose means to execute the general operations or the general functions. Then we are using the general purpose registers. In the general purpose registers, the important the registers of the 8051 microcontroller, the first one is the accumulator, that is the A register. The accumulator or the A register is used to operate the arithmetic and logical operations. Arithmetical and logical operations. The main important register of 8051 while doing the arithmetical and operations, we are using the accumulator. The accumulator can be stored in the A register. That's why the A register we are call it as a accumulator. And second one is B register. The B register, the accumulator with multiplication and division purpose, we are using the B register. The temporary register of the control. After then, the four banks are available in the general purpose registers. The four banks are Bank 0, Bank 1, and Bank 2, and Bank 3. The four banks are selected, the bank registers are selected with the help of the program status word. The four banks, it contains the eight registers. The each register bank, it contains the eight registers. For example, if you are taking the bank 0, the bank 0 which having the registers R0, R1, R2, R3 up to so on R7. That means the eight registers are accommodated in the register bank 0. The bank 2 also we are having the 8 registers. It start from R0 to R7, and bank 2 and bank 3. The total in a 4 register banks. The 4 register banks are bank 0, bank 1, bank 2, bank 3. The bank selection is depends on the program status word, the registers of RS1, RS0. That is, we will discuss in the special purpose registers related to microcontroller registers. And here we are also discussed, these are the general purpose registers. After then, the special function register, the second classification of the register organization of 8051 is the special purpose registers are microcontroller related registers. The microcontroller related registers, the first one is the program counter. The program counter, it holds the address of the next instruction memory location. It hold and fetched the address of the next instruction, and the program counter to increase their memory locations with respect to the instructions available in the programming. For example, if there are having the 4 or 5 instructions, the first instruction is fetched and hold the address of that particular instruction. After execution of the first instruction, again program fetched the next instruction and hold the address of the next instruction. That is the instruction 2. In this way, the program counter fetching and hold the address of the next memory location and up to completion of the total instructions available in the program. That is the main importance of using the program counter in the microcontroller. Then we are having the one more special purpose register, that is the program status word. The program status word is nothing but a flag register. The program status word. The program status can be explained or can be shown by the PSW register. The PSW register is also called as the flag register. Also called as the flag register. In this particular flag register, we are having the flag registers like a carry flag, auxiliary carry flag, parity flag, and overflow flag. And the two registers are used in the program status word. The two are the RS1 and RS2. The register bank selection bits are the selection registers. In the previously we discussed the general purpose registers. We are having the four bank of registers. Four banks of registers. These four banks of registers are selected by the program 0 and RS1 bits number are the bits the the bank is selected in the microcontroller. This is the related to program status one. Next one is the stack and stock pointer. The stack, the number of instructions addresses are stored in the microcontroller. That means the list of instructions are stored in a stack register. That is, the stack is nothing but it stores the number of instructions. The stack pointer, is nothing but top of the stack pointer address is called as the stack pointer. It points the address of the top of the stack is nothing but a stack pointer. And also we are having the DPTR like that. These are the data pointer like that. That means These are the related to the special function registers. The special function registers. After then we are going to discuss today class is the special function registers. Special function registers. The special function registers SFRs 128 byte internal RAM in the address range of 8080H2 FFH is allotted for special function registers. H to FFH is allotted for the special function registers. Sometimes they are asking the 128 bytes of internal RAM in the address range of dash is allotted for the special function registers in the range of. That means in the special function registers, what are the address ranges allotted in the 8051 microcontroller? That is 80H2 FFH. The address are allotted for the special function registers. There are 18 special function registers are present in the 8051 occupying the 21 bytes. There are 18 special function registers are present in the 8051 microcontroller occupying the 21 bytes. And these are used for performing the various important functions of 8051 microcontroller. That means our special function registers are performing the various important functions in the 8051 microcontroller. The various special function registers are already we discussed the accumulator register A, status word PSW, the data pointer DPTR, stack pointer, etc. And timer registers timer 0 and timer 1, the timer mode registers T mode, the timer control registers TCON, and serial port buffer registers S buffer, and serial port control register SCON. The four 8-bit parallel ports P0, P1, P2 and P3, and interrupt registers, interrupt priority, that is the IP, interrupt enable register IE, and power control register, that is PCON. The special function registers. The special function registers of 8051 microcontroller. The special function registers of the 8051 microcontroller interrupt control special function registers. Interrupt control special function registers. These are two. One is interrupt enable and interrupt priority. The special function registers. The first one is the interrupt control special function registers. These are two: interrupt priority and interrupt enable. Registers TL0 and TH0. TL0 means The timer registers are 16-bit registers. The 16-bit registers is divided into two register banks, that is the 8-bit and 8-bit. The 8-bit are allotted for the lower timer bits and 8 bits are allotted for the upper timer bits. That's why the timer 0, which having the two special function registers TL0 and TH0, TH0, and timer 1 special function registers TL1 and TH1, same as timer 0. Total 16 bit, then subdivided into two registers TL1 and TH1. The counter control special function registers. The timer and counter special function registers. The timer and counter special function registers, T mode and Tcon registers. T mode and Tcon registers. And serial port special function registers are SCON, SBUF, PCON. The serial port special function registers are SCON, SBuffer, and PCON. Serial control. Serial port registers. Serial port registers. Then parallel input output port special function registers. Parallel input or output port special function registers. They are total 32 registers are allotted to 8 for each port. The 8 into 4, 32 registers are allotted to 4 ports: port 0, port 1, port 2 and port 3. The special function registers: interrupt control special purpose registers, and timer 0 special function registers, timer 1 special function registers, timer counter control special function registers, serial port special function registers, parallel input output port special function registers. Interrupt control special purpose registers are interrupt enable and interrupt priority. The timer 0 special function registers are the timer 1 special function registers TL1 and TH1. The timer counters control special function registers are T mode and Tcon registers. The serial port special function registers are SCON, SBUF, PCON. The parallel input output port special function registers are P0, P1, P2, P3, 4 ports. These are the complete structure of special function registers. Now going to explain the functions of each register. The special function registers, here they are represented in the form of blocks: accumulator, B register, program status word, program status word, stack pointer, data pointer, timer 0, timer 1, the timer 0 upper and lower TH0, TL0, timer 1 upper and lower TH1 and TL1. Total 16 bits are 8 bits for lower bits, 8 bits for upper bits. That is the TL0, TH0, TH1 and TL1. And the mode of operation register is the TCON. These are the representation of special function registers in a block diagram. Here accumulator, register B, program status word, stack pointer, data pointer, timer 0 and timer 1 registers, T mode and TCON registers. And also some important serial port registers and interrupt control registers and parallel input output registers are in the form of blocks. S buffer, SCON, PCON, serial buffer, serial control and power control. The interrupt registers, interrupt priority, interrupt enable. And the four important ports are port 0, port 1, port 2 and port 3. These are the special function registers. The byte addressable registers of the special function registers. The byte addressable registers of the 8051 microcontroller special function registers. The T mode register is the byte addressable registers and time TH1 and TL1. All are is the byte addressable registers. T mode, TH0, TL0, TH1, TL1. And S buffer, PCON, DPH, DPL and stock pointer. Serial buffer, power control, the data pointer higher register, the data pointer lower register and stack pointer. And accumulator, register B, program store enable program status word, program status word and port 0, port 1, port 2 and port 3. Interrupt priority, interrupt enable, timer control and serial control. These are the byte addressable special function registers. The byte addressable special function registers. Next is the bit addressable registers. The bit addressable registers. The bit addressable registers SCON, use address ends with 000B. That means the sum of the special function registers are bit addressable also. They are accumulator, program status word, port register B, port 0, port 1, port 2 and port 3. Interrupt priority, interrupt enable, timer control and serial control. These are the bit addressable registers. Some of the special function registers whose address whose address ends with 000B are bit addressable also. They are port 0, they are port 0, port 1, port 2, port 3, accumulator, program status word, register B, interrupt priority, interrupt enable, tcon, tcon and scon. Registers and their function. The special function registers and their function. The symbol of the register is ACC. The star represents the bit addressable registers. The bit addressable registers. ACC is the accumulator. The function of register used for arithmetical and logical operations. The symbol ACC, the name of the register is accumulator, used for arithmetical and logical operation. Arithmetical means addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. Logical operations means already we know that in the digital electronics we studied like and operations or operation, not operation and NAND operation, NOR operation, XOR, XNOR. These are the logical operations. The accumulator used for arithmetic and logical operation. Arithmetic, addition, subtraction, division, multiplications, etc. The register B, second one, symbol B. That is the name of the register is register B. Used for multiplication and division. Used PSW, program status word. The program status word used for register bank selection, the status of carry, parity, etc. The program status word, we are having the two registers, that is RS1 and RS0. These two registers are two bits are used for selecting the banks of the general purpose registers. That is the used for register bank selection and status of carry and parity, etc. The status of carry means the carry, if you are doing any arithmetical operations, it gives the carry flag, auxiliary carry flag and like auxiliary carry flag, and overflow flag, and parity flag. And also that is the program status word used for selecting the bank register bank selection, and also status of carry, that means auxiliary carry or carry flag or the carry are present, or overflow flag will be overflow bit, that means the overflow carry will be present. That means the status of carry can be described. Next one is the symbol DPTR, data pointer. DPTR hash represent the 16-bit registers. Sometimes in the examinations asking the DPTR dash registers, 8-bit registers, 32-bit registers, 62 16-bit registers, or the 64-bit registers. They are asking something like that. That means how to remember the length of the register. The DPTR is the 16-bit register. The DPTR is the 16-bit register. The DPTR, the name of the register is data pointer. Name of the register is data pointer. The function of the register is to point the external data RAM. To point the external data RAM used as a data pointer. And stock pointer used to store the address of the stack top. The stack pointer used to store address of stack top. Next one is the program counter. PC. The name of the register is program counter. The program counter points to a program memory location in which next instruction is present. In which next instruction is present. Next instruction is present. And here the symbol P0, P1, P2, and P3. The register name port 0, port 1, port 2, port 3. The function of the register port 0 to access the port 0, to access the port 1, to access the port 2, and to access the port 3. These are the functions of registers of port 0, port 1, port 2, and port 3. And the interrupt priority, that is the IP. The symbol is IP. The register name is interrupt priority. The register name is interrupt priority. The function of the register is interrupt priority control. Interrupt priority control. IE. Interrupt enable. Interrupt enable control. Interrupt enable control. The timer 0, which having the two registers TH0, TL0. The register name is timer or counter 0. Timer or counter 0. The function of the register is 16-bit timer. One, the symbol T1, the timer 1, which having the timer higher register, timer 0, lower register, that is the TH1 and TL1. The register name is timer or counter 1. The 16-bit timer or counter 1, that is the function of register timer 0 and timer 1. The symbol SCON. The name of the register is serial control. The name of the register is serial control. The function of register, the serial data transmission control. Serial data transmission control. S buffer. Serial data buffer. The function of the register is buffer register. PCON. Power control. The power control register. The power control register. T mode. Timer mode register. To decide operating modes of timers. To decide operating modes of timers. TCON. Timer control register. That is to control the operation of timers. To control the operation of timers. In this class, we have discussed about the special function registers, the byte addressable registers, the bit addressable registers. The special function registers we already discussed. The important special function registers, accumulator, B registers, program status word, the timer registers, timer 0 and timer 1, and timer mode register, that is the T mode register, and TCON register, timer control register, S buffer, serial buffer register, and interrupt control registers, interrupt enable and interrupt priority, 4 register ports, port 0, port 1, port 2 and port 3, PCON power control register. These are discussed in the class, that is the special function registers. The byte addressable register, what are the TCON and PSW, these are some of the byte addressable registers. The byte addressable registers also we are discussed. The bit addressable registers. The class we discussed the special function registers, the byte addressable registers, the bit addressable registers. The frequently asked questions in the examination. List the special function registers. They are asking the list the special function registers. In the special function registers, register A, register B, stack pointer, data pointer, TCON, PCON, SCON, SBUF, PSW, ports P0, P1, P2, P3. These are the list the special function registers. And list the functions of register A, B and PSW. The function of register A is the main important register of the 8051 microcontroller and used to perform the arithmetical logical operations, and the source and destination of the destination or resultant can be stored in the A register. These are the some functions of register A and also register B. The register B, next one is the program status word. The program status word, it represent the status of the program and also called the flag register, which are having, and the program status word having the two bits of RS1 and RS0 to select the register banks in the general purpose registers of the 8051 microcontroller, and also gives the status of carry and parity, etc. The carry means carry bits are present or not, that can be represented as PSW, auxiliary carry flag, and overflow flag and parity flag. This is the functions of PSW. List the functions of T mode and T con registers. That means they are asking any question like the features of T mode and T con, the features of S con and P con, the functions of, sorry, not a features, the functions of like PSW, the function of ports P0, P1, P2, P3. What is the functions of interrupt signals IE and IP, etc. That means in the short questions they are asking the any type of special function register in the examination. Quiz 1. The quiz question, it represents this question is related to the size of the data pointer register is. In the diagram or the tabular column in the presentation, they are representing the DPTR, that is a 16-bit register, like the 16-bit register like a hash mark, that is 16-bit register. DPTR is the 16-bit register. The data pointer, the size of DPTR register is 16-bit register, I think so. The options are 8-bit register, 32-bit register, 16-bit register and a 24-bit register. The size of DPTR is 16-bit register. Answer is 16-bit register. The second quiz, the special function registers are present in dash the internal RAM with address range of 80H2 FFH. The internal RAM with the address range of 80H2 FFH. In this class, we studied the important discussion of the different types of special function registers and their functions. What are the special functions or special function registers are there, and the function registers, interrupt control special function registers, that is the interrupt enable interrupt priority, interrupt control registers, interrupt priority register. The timer 0 special function registers TL0 and TH0. The timer 1 special function registers TL1 and TH1. The timer counter control registers T mode and TCON. The serial port special function registers SCON, SBUF, PCON. The parallel input output port special function registers are P0, P1, P2, P3. These are the special function registers. Like here in the diagrammatically accumulator, register B, PSW, stock pointer, data pointer, TH0, TL0, TH1, TL1, T mode, TCON, and S buffer, SCON, PCON, interrupt priority, interrupt enable, port 0, port 1, port 2, port 3. This is the discussion about the special function registers. I hope all of you understood the importance of special function registers in the 8051 microcontroller. Thank you one and all.